I have found the best lashes. I am wearing them now. I put them on yesterday. They're pre-glued cluster lashes. So they are the easiest thing I have ever applied. At the end, I will put an application video because I filmed it. But this is what they look like. The packaging is really cute. They're from Silly George. But this is a different style to what I'm wearing now. So this is Flutter. I'm wearing Rosy. But they're just so nice and they look incredible, and you can't tell that I'm wearing lashes. Like there's no, I don't know, they're just really, really natural looking. And yeah, I slept in them, they were fine. I just really, really like them, and I wanted to tell you about them and show you the application so that you can see how easy it is, because lashes really don't have to be hard. Like after finding these, sorry, I'm done. So these are cluster lashes. As you can see, I have used a lot of them. I really, really like them, but you pretty much, they're pre-glued. So all you have to do is there's no bond and seal. Like you literally just have to pop them on. They are so incredibly easy. It's not even funny. And they last 5 to 10 days pending, I'm just using a little mirror here. They last 5 to 10 days pending you take care of them, but they just go on right at the like connection of your lashes to your lash line. You just pop it right next to it and then you press it in. Pop her right in there as well. Okay, and then this is where I change size and pop her in there. And this one goes right sort of in the front corner there. They're just so easy. Like lashes just do not have to be hard. I'm sorry, they don't. And she looks amazing. Natural, just, it's giving everything.